So good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to report or discuss the definition of community according to different authors and also the concept of a community in the context of social work. So first, let's go to the definition of community according to different authors. So first we have Massiver and Page. So they state that a community is wherever the members of any group or small or large live together in such way that they share not this or that particular interest but the basic condition of common life. We call such a group community. So, ibig sabihin nito daw ay sa community kung saan man napabilang sa malaking grupo man or sa maliit ay nagkakaroon ng pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng pagtugon ng pangangailangan ng bawat isa. So, katulad ng pagtutulungan upang maibigay ang pangunahing pangangailangan ng bawat membro or kasapi nito. So, next we have Robert Bella. So, he defines community as a group of people who are socially interdependent, who participate together in discussion and decision making, and who share certain practices that both define the community and are nurtured by it. So ayon naman kay Robert Bella, para daw sa kanya, ang ibig sabihin ng community ay pangkat or grupo ng tao kung saan ang bawat member nito ay nagpa-participate at nagkikisali sa mga usapin at discussion na nagbibigay ng mga suggestion upang mas mapalawak pa ang kaalaman at maging maunlad ang isang komunidad. So, according to Foundation for Community Encouragement, a community is a group of two or more people who have been able to accept and transcend their differences regardless of the diversity of their backgrounds, social, spiritual, educational, ethnic, economic, political, or etc. So this enables them to communicate effectively and openly and to work together toward goals identified as being for their common good. So, ayon naman sa kanila, ang community daw ay ang pagtutulungan upang makamit ang layunin ng isang pangkat. Kahit may pagkakaiba man ng bawat isa, kagaya ng pagkakakilanlan nila sa ethnic o sa paniniwala, ang mahalaga daw ay nagkakaroon sila ng ambag sa komunidad at nagiging epektibo yung tulong nila upang mapaunlad ang kanilang kinabibilangang grupo or pangkat. So, let's proceed to Brian Munan. So, he defines a community as a relatively self-sufficient population residing in a limited geographic area bound together by feelings of unity and interdependence. So, ayon naman kay Brian Munan, ang community ay ang grupo ng tao kung saan limitado lamang ang kanilang kinalalagyan or tirahan kung saan man sila at nagkakaisa sila sa pakikiramdam sa bawat hinaing ng bawat isa, pagtutulungan at pagmamalasakit sa bawat isa. So, yun lang yung importante dun. So, next, we have Sussman in Bale and Newby. So, a community is said to exist when interaction between individuals has the purpose of meeting individual needs and obtaining group goals. A limited geographical area is another feature, and features of social interaction, structures for gratification of physical, social, and physical needs, and limited geographical area are basic to definition of community. So, sinasabi naman nila na magkakaroon daw ng tinatawag na community kapag ang bawat isa ay nagkakaroon ng interaction sa kadahilanan ng pangangailangan. Halimbawa na lamang ngayong pangangailangan sa edukasyon, kalusugan at iba pang pangunahing pangangailangan ng isang individual. So, let's proceed to the concepts of community in social work. So, we have shared identity. So, shared identity communities often share a common identity based on factors such as culture, ethnicity, religion, or shared experiences. So, sa shared identity naman daw ay may pagkakaisa at ang isang community, batay sa kanilang identity, sa mga pagkakatulad nila kagaya ng kultura, ethnicity, o ang mga iba't ibang gawain na meron sila. So, para lamang mas mapalakas pa ang kanilang liga or ang pagkakakilanlan. So, next we have social interaction. So, a community is characterized by social interactions among its members. create a sense of belonging and support. So, ang social interaction naman ay yung pagkakaroon ng interaction ng bawat membro. Yung member nito, no, sa pagsusuporta, pagtutulungan at pagpapatatag ng tiwala sa bawat isa. So, at upang mapanatili ang magandang samahan sa bawat member nito. So, let's proceed to mutual aid. Mutual aid, no, community members often provide support to each other, fostering resilience and collective problem solving. So, dito naman, no, ang sinasabi dito na ang bawat member daw ng isang community ay kailangan magtulungan at magbigay ng suporta sa bawat isa. So, para lamang malutas ang anumang problema na kinakaharap ng isang member nito. So, yun. So, 4, we have empowerment. So, empowerment social work aims to empower communities by providing resources, education, and support to enhance their capacity to address social issues. So, ang government daw o ang agency katulad ng mga social workers, no, ay naglalayong palakasin ng isang community sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng pangunahing pangailangan gaya ng edukasyon at upang para maging guide din at suportahan sila na palakasin pa ang kanilang potential at mga kakayahan, no, na meron sila para umunlad at maging maayos ang kanilang pamumuhay. So, we have diversity. So, diversity, recognizing and respecting diversity within communities is crucial for effective social workplace practice, no? So, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng respeto, no, sa bawat isa upang maging maayos ang isang komunidad, no? Pagaya ng sa isang trabaho, no? Kailangan respetuhin ng anumang kakaiba, no, sa paniniwala, no, ng bawat isa sa pananampalataya at kultura. So, kung ano man meron ang bawat isa, no, upang maging maayos at maunlad ang isang community. That's all po.